Hi guys, welcome back again with another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device Vivo T1 Pro. So if in this device you want to do the keyboard settings, or if you want to change them, or if you want to learn about the keyboard settings, you can easily do it by the method as I am showing in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the keyboard settings in this video. Let's watch it.